pleasure to have been invited here to Guanajuato as part of the FIEXPO business workshop. It was a pleasure to share some of my expertise and knowledge on association meetings with this community, and it has been so great to see that the entire association community, the entire hospitality industry in the state of Guanajuato is so excited to be part of a global landscape for international meetings. It has been great to see the participation, the knowledge, and the hunger to put Guanajuato on the global meetings map. I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of